copy everything from the master for specific project. And then if we need to change only one package, yes, we change only one package, but we bring everything, right?
Yes.
Okay, we bring everything.
And it'll always be there going forward.
It will be there. Yeah.
So what
but
you
only the changes will move forward to the
Right,
next.
oh, only changes will move forward, but what you're saying, when we talk about ERP number, basically you saw it's kind of like a version number, am I correct at this point? Okay, so version number, so we're gonna get.
In this way, like I can, like if something issue in the production, I can get from the GitLab like for previous version.
Correct,
and
yeah.
rollback
So
and
ERP, it's whatever we call version number, we're gonna be, eventually, by in 2 months, maybe we're gonna get like 5 different versions, but we always know which one is the latest.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we can know what changes being done,
Right,
like usually
right.
add a truncate and then like all the like
Oh,
version
nice.
control we can-
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
makes sense, yeah.
For example, here, just consider under this ERP 1234, I created a new package, like in EDA data refresh. I added it.
Mhm.
That's why it was showing us added. It means like it's a
Oh.
new package.
It means that.
A means
yeah,
add,
okay.
and M means modify. For example, this is one of the existing one, right? See?
Yep.
I just modified it. As per this one, like you have to create a production version.
Right.
And after that, you can either modify the existing one or add a new one. Like everything, it will show you only the changes. Even though it had like 100 packages,
Right.
it will show whatever you change, like one added, one modified.
Without deletion, it's delete, but.
It will show.
Oh, it will show, okay.
Right.
So we'll know what packages you're deleting, Alex.
Yes.
But what you're doing with the package, yeah.
Yeah, no, that's
It's
good.
gonna keep a record of all the changes,
yes, that-
deleted.
that's-
Now I modified it and did a development and a unit testing. Once unit testing is completed, I can check in this one.
Mhm.
Always add a zero dash number
Yeah.
so that it will be like we can easy to find out what is the
Okay.
detail of the description
Right.
and do some abbreviation added.
But we don't have unit testing set up at ZT though.
You had a dev environment, right? That's
Yes.
why like we were doing unit testing.
No, no, we used to do it in a different way in my previous project. We used to do it in SSIS itself. And we were supposed to enter the fake data and then test the stored procedures that we had.
Yeah, you ran it and then tested, right? That's
Right,
called the development
right,
unit testing.
right. But then it was like this, through SSIS, it would push the changes.
And
and
you are
everything.
just running like start and run, like make a change and then start and run.
But we don't keep the
Change the
history of all stored procedures in SSIS in here, right?
If you want, you can create one more folder and then maintain the SPs too, like the initial version and all the production SPs. You can put it in here
Interesting.
and then modify it.
I see. So,
you can maintain all the.
so we can
not
do
just
this
unit
exactly right,
testing
right.
independently. I
Yes.
see.
You know,
No, no,
But-
you
Quick-
can,
quick
you
question,
can
yeah.
create a one more folder for the objects, like SQL objects, and then
Yeah.
maintain all the SPs, which is in the production.
Right.
And then open up, like you don't need to go to any server or anything. Just maintain all the production
Right,
ones, and
right.
then open it, make a change, put it in the dev, do a
Right.
test, run the SSIS package and test it, and then release it. And for this one, you don't need to just release, for sometimes, you don't have a SSIS change, it should be a backend SP change.
Sure.
You can just
Right.
keep the SP also here
Mhm.
and then modify just the SP.
I
You know, I have a question. So, back to version number. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I created new folder, but sometimes more than one person can work for the same release. So it means if it's already open and I'm changing package A and saying no, the changing package
No,
B.
it should not be like, you have to do, like, if you're touching one project, like, you
You
have to.
can't do concurrently, Alex. It shouldn't
Okay.
be like that,
It
right?
will cause
We don't do that
confusion.
now anyways, right?
Okay, no, you're right. So you're saying if I created this 1, 2, 3, 4, it's only one.
Of course, right?
Okay,
Because
got
you're
it.
the only one that's working on that ticket.
Oh,
Yes.
You
yeah.
know,
Oh, okay.
it's
Okay,
better,
now.
like, that
You're
SSIS
right.
pack, if
Okay.
you're touching that SSIS package, she should not touch that.
Oh, I
Of
see.
course,
Got it.
Any
Okay.
new changes also.
If I ever do, stop me.
Yeah, okay.
Any
no
new
problem.
changes, like, maybe you can combine two.
Yeah,
here.
no, you're right, I see, makes sense, absolutely. So, okay. Makes sense.
Now I made the changes on the ERP 1234. Development is completed and unit
Yes.
testing completed. I'm just committing and
Commit all,
Pushing.
So commit all, it means you saved actually, right? In a new branch, But also need to do check-in, right? Or
That's the thing.
commit all, it's a check-in, it means
That's what he's done.
it's saved in your folder. Now, next step to go to master, right? No?
This is not master.
Not to the master, it should be a test region. Like right now you are testing the development region, I need to put it into the UAT region, test region. Like you, right now for, maybe you can come up with a new workflow. For us in ERP, we had 3 servers. Like I code in the ERP dev,
Yeah, right.
we had 3 servers, ERP dev, ERP QAC,
Yeah.
ERP PRD.
Mm.
In ERP dev, I make a change, like store voucher, coding, program change, everything I do it, and then make a modification. Once it's ready, it will goes to the UAT.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After going to the
Testing
UAT,
users.
like I'm a developer,
Right.
I'll move into the UAT region, merge it, and then move into the UAT branch. Then I'll ask business users to verify
Yeah.
the change. Once they confirm it, yeah, it is good to move into production. Then I'll move it into the master and ask Josh to move it to the production.
So let me ask you a question. So what you're saying, for example,
That's the test
We don't
environment and then
definitely
production
move to
environment.
production. Yeah, so
We don't directly go from dev to master.
okay, so what you're saying, I create 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I can use the same code to test in different servers because it's still built in a Git.